Alright, I'm about to start this unboxing video. I'll try like 8 different things to do. I'll try this unboxing video. Yeah, be right back. Alright, so I'm back. About to motherfucking unwrap this shit. About to unwrap it. Been wanting this scooter for a little bit. This thing go what? This thing go 19 miles an hour. It go 19 miles an hour. It can drive within 20, 21 miles, and not that I ever will, but I Google how many miles it is from my job to my crib. It's only like 10 miles or 6 miles from my crib. So if I wanted to scoot there, I could, which I'm not. Just saying. Got a GPS app. When you got the GPS, you can lock it, unlock it. Yeah, this was a $250 scooter, but I got it on Prime. Got that thing on Prime for like, let's say like $130, and then I got a discount for actually being a Prime member. So that's a W. I should have my other unboxing knife, but taking too long setting this up. And I wanted to try out these new. And I want to try out this new mic. The Highland Mark. Want to try out that new mic, so that's this right here. Want to try that out. Hope the mic sound alright. Scooter looking. Pieces. Charger. Dropping shit. Charger. I'm gonna keep this bitch. Well, I ain't gonna tell you where I'm gonna keep it. But where I'm gonna keep it is gonna be easy access in case I need it anytime. Probably keep it in one of my cars. So, charger makes sense. What Phantom say? Make change. It just makes change. It was supposed to be here yesterday. Actually, it wasn't supposed to come in. Pause. It wasn't even supposed to come until like, I think the 17th. But it actually got here 14. It's got a couple days early. Lost that thing. It ain't heavy, even with all this shit attached to it. It ain't heavy. Nothing else in the There's nothing else in the box. Box empty, so take this. Oh, nigga. God damn. That to the side. I'm gonna be streaming on this thing too. God damn. Dang, hella discombobulated. Called the Aloe Week. Put the link to it in the description. I'll put the Shank app. Shank. Let me see, can I put this thing together? Like, Assuming that thing go. Oh, I gotta pull it from down here. Pull it from here. I don't know. Just go on there. Give me like 1 second. Figure this bitch out. Alright. So we back. I got it clipped. And it look like it's just 2 screws that go in there. No, 4. Assuming that is 2 on the front, 2 on the back. Alright, so everything's hooked up. Them the lights. Moved it. Yeah. They come with an app and stuff too. Come with an app too, so these the obviously the brakes. Ain't no way this bullshit ass got a bell. What the fuck? Alright, so the video cut off. But like I said, like I was saying, it come with an app, all that stuff. Lights. This is the go. Obviously brakes. Not too quite sure what this is for. I'm assuming this is for your keys if you want to clip them on, which would make sense. Clip the keys, but I got the instructions for it. Yeah, man. It's only 4 screws to put on. Let y'all know how it go.